Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate IFTTT for syncing deal alerts across apps. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the IFTTT website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once signed in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the name of the app you want to sync deal alerts from. Select that app from the search results. Next, click on Create to start making a new applet. You will see two sections labeled If This and Then That. Click on the If This section to choose your trigger. Select the app you just searched for. Follow the prompts to select the specific trigger condition for deal alerts. After you complete that step, move on to the Then That section. Here, choose the app where you want to receive the deal alerts. Select the action you wish to perform upon receiving the alerts. Fill in any necessary fields required for the action. Once both sections are configured, click on the Finish button. You should now see your newly created applet in your list. To test it, send a sample alert from the source app. Check the destination app to verify that the alert is received. If it works correctly, you're all set to receive deal alerts automatically. For any issues, revisit your applet settings to troubleshoot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.